NEHU admin down, down. Molestation down, down. Sexual harassment down, down. NEHU admin come out.
Ki samla pule ke NEHU beren hapo ke kenhun juga NEHU su kila penlong yi keji ki pajba mentak arpo terik naiwing bandawa wengka mardor hapo laisngi ya way officer un Nantu das hal ke jingkeno bro jrongti klemakor ya ke way ken thei ene ke jing jrongti Nantu das ya ke way ke samla hostel balajia min ke sngi khat bai terik hakane ke sngi Haumut ki samla pule school ba NEHU rami renti ban penong ki ki aplau ke school ba ban penrem jur ke jingle khamapor Nantu das para arta belaka hakju kapor samla pule larung kapor kamera sensular sukla ban IT ke dorkhas bat kladon ru ke thmaktin apring ki samla pule bat UVC ye ke jing pene ban soy ye ke kot bakila ai kumta nakleng UVC ula penjem khnap no yelade bola soy ya kata ke city ki samla pule ke khang talaru ya kamera trikam Nantu das
NEHU admin down, down.
My team is already working.
So, but the thing is, so the decision is usually removal of Nantu from all the posts in the NEHU.
Yes, I just need to do one. This is the one.
So within 3 days, so we give him the
Within 3 days, I will do.
So it's not just about
No,
Nantu.
within 3 days, yes, within 3 days, I will do.
So it's also about the discrimination against women that is going on in the campus. So like moral policing, the way administration has been moral policing us. Along with that, everything has been restricted only towards like women. We can't go outside after 8. If you're not safe within the campus, what's the purpose of being in the campus? There's a lot of issue in safety of our students, especially women students in the university. That's the priority.
We already taken a hard decision.
And the security.
Suspended one professor, I think might be all of you know. Some other cases, we already taken one decision. And in this case, I can ensure my student, I am going to take the hard decision. But there is a system, no. Even follow that. Within that, you are within 3 days time. No? Within the 3 days, you are going to. Okay?
We don't want to see him around ever again.
Within the 3 days, no? Within the 3 days. Either any teacher, not teaching, and others are going to involve in this issue. This is very simple, and I'm going to condemn this type of activity in the campus also, and definitely under the rules and regulations, ready to take the.
So today's meeting is about that, or is it about something?
No, this is meeting is finance committee. The finance committee meeting is already scheduled before 15 days. We already conducted the one meeting with the KCU, another meeting with the NEHU. But I can ensure my students, I'm not going to tolerate such type of activity in the campus.
So when will the meeting be conducted for Nantu das? When will the meeting be conducted?
Regarding this
My one team is already working on that. Yesterday I came back in the night near about 9 p.m. Someone already informed and made a discussion with the registrar and other officers of the university, and they are already working on that. Okay, so procedurally, I'm going to take that decision. But to complete the process, it may take some time. No, already all of you are given me the 3 days. 3 days time, and within 3 days time, I will take the decision.
So what kind of action will you take to ensure that this kind of act will never happen again in this campus?
According to the system of the university, already have a system. According to the system of the university.
So your signature.
NEHU VC sign karo.
So your signature.
My signature. Assurance to believe on your rights.
No. Sign. We are not sign.
Solid proof, right?
My office signature is
NEHU is the sign.
Sign.
NEHU is the sign. NEHU is the sign. NEHU is the sign.
That's why I'm going to take a hard decision under the rules. No, he can also
So
go.
we don't want to say him alone again. He doesn't say
No, he can also go in the court. On the basis of that Moshe has not followed any system. That's why the
We don't want to discuss your meeting.
meeting is already over.
With all due respect.
Students want to anything, I am always with the student. Not today, it's the past
We'll all go. It is a crucial matter.
Definitely, this is a very
Safety and security. So,
and
students,
security
in order to feel safe, we need your signature. It means something for us. A father figure in the university. So, sir, we need your signature. That's all. It's for the emotional safety of the students. Kindly, sir. You are just a father figure in this university. Student unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Student unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Student power, long live! Long live! Long live!
take a photo. Long live! Long live! Photocopy to give him that one copy.
University journey manin yo asmo ba chalet ki bor ko ni smos air mo ba ha ka university nim la ban ya like load ni don be da ka jinx air min sip te ni smo ting ba don security in charge u balik kum kata kam
but ni program juro ikini ka jingle jong u namar kam dei ka kam ka ba kadai ka kam ka ba chaklia tam but kadai ka ba penjak burom om tang ya u hiru kadai penjak burom ya university barok kuai iki kena barok kuai ba di kinong hikai barok kuai te ni kum ka NEHU ni yang hang ni ban program jur ya u Nantu das ikini ka jingle jong u
dan yeng jaga jinx ko lemru ya itai bala chalet thambon ha Nantu das Di ban remove no ya NEHU Nantu das na ki post baro apo university
security in charge
but ya ka post trong assistant sports director apo NEHU
Jinagaleng jong kini husu le seka ika jing dawan jong kina ka university.
ni dawa ya ka university ya ka administration ba kin remove no mar ya na po ka post trong but because kim ngim don jaka ya kumutu jat bri ka university jong dingiru ni layo na itaru ni layo show ki don hikna balayo sim tharai na ka balayo kani ka kupon kila don ki ba wan ong yagi ba ulale show ki kam ini balak jangan ta insa okta city bengyo na ita kna
Dengan syuri pilihan PCA kami kasih dengan lokal Chitika. This is to inform you that I, as a student of NEHU, and I have been playing college events, due to which I have to talk with the sports director, and he has called me unnecessarily many times alone. During every meeting, he has made me feel uncomfortable with his comments, and he has also threatened me regarding participation in game. I do not want to reveal my identity as I am still scared. Tengi laban suku nak ni bagi kena kalau jujat tengi hendak kita julut berwan syukmat. Keling bagi ni bagi layu komplain menanti kena adu kila hendak berwan syukmat ban. Ini nilai apa bagi kamu?
Kay ka appeal ng PM tayo ki prakna nang makunli ko nung jasu sa nangis man.
Ikitui ki bagi nung tiang haba ki jakum kini ki bagi nang wan bet syukmat ban ai bi komplain segi la dadan balik kum kata. Bagi kinum tiang bagi wan bet syukmat bagi ai
Kontra union nila bani selection hadi ya kita diberi di balik kum kita ki campus. And ni ru ikwa ben ong ba ha ko campus ni ba jadi ben tu ki beri lo biang ki ba ben ba de compose ke security in charge. Kenam mangin social ngai ha ko university jong.
So aso ka session ng PM kita ngali.
Mga ngadi daya pira khasati ngawan research scholar forum jong NEHU ti nakaliang jong research scholar forum nga kwaban ong ba kani ka eke jingle jong unan tu das ka penlong ngi ki kena research ru khamtam mangi ki researcher ki babon ki bawan na ki labs ki batre ha ki labs jong ki teng teng hadin ko beje kru beje or dalam yet so ka penlong ngi bangin feel unsafe la don kum uni ujat breu ha kani ka yute nakaliang jong irungi demand ban weng no nakakam jong kum assistant director jong sports department ban kunjuk ru badai in charge jong ka security jong ka NEHU haba nong penyat hi nong pet hi ka security jong ka NEHU ulong kum ne te ni ngin ngulong safe kum no kim ki kan thei mo ki kan thei ba pule ha ka ne ka university te ni demand ban weng no yu kum ba ki la ong ki NEHU su bangin aya ka license ni ka pot ban weng no yu te ngi mangiru ngi support ya kata ka demand jong ka NEHU su